Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the Mac Allister grass trimmer. Today I am going to assemble and show you how the mechanisms work, and in my next video I will actually be doing a review and I shall be putting the Mac Allister to work. First and foremost, we put the guard on. So there's a screw there at the back. We unscrew that. Then we shall slide it into place, and you shall see the screw hole there. Oops. So align them two holes together. Pop your screw back in. The plant protector was already in situ, so all you need to do when you require it is push it in or out. Very simple to do. For length adjustment, turn this lock-in sleeve clockwise, pull the lower pole to the length that you desire it, and then secure by tightening the lock-in sleeve like so. So that's adjusted the length now. So if I just wanted to shorten it, all I'd do is unscrew, push it down, lock it again, secure tightly. So for the purpose of this video, I shall just do it a bit longer, tighten it like so. In my last video I said that I liked the handle rotation of 360 degrees. A lot of the other makes and models didn't have that handle. They just had the head rotate 90 or 180 degrees. But in fact, on further investigation and reading in the instructions, this trimmer head does adjust to either 0 degrees for trimming or 180 degrees for edging. So to be honest, we've got the best of both worlds in this. We've got the best of both worlds with this trimmer. We've got a rotating handle, which is probably what I'm going to use, rather than rotating that to a different angle, because I'll show you, I think it's a bit difficult. So what you have to do is you have to pull this shaft up here, which is quite difficult, and when you're tired from doing your gardening, that's the last thing you want to do, is put more effort in. You got to pull it up, and see that rotates there. Did you see that rotate? I'll do it again, see? But you've got to make sure that locks into place when you've done it. So pull it up, which is hard work really, and then twist it. But I think you can get the same from doing this. Loosen your handle turn your hand up, a lot easier. Turn your hand up, lock it into place. You know, you can adjust that to any angle you want. Edging. I mainly edge and cut the long grass like that. So this handle is actually working perfectly for my needs. I'll demonstrate this when I actually cut the grass. It's raining today, so I can't do that, but I'll just make sure I lock that into place. Also, there's a tilt adjustment, so there's a button there, so that goes flat, or tilt it and it goes up. I won't be using any of these features at all. That one, or that one, or I won't be using that. When I seen this in the shop, this is exactly what I was looking for. A handle that does all the turning for me. Not bending down, using the machine from up there, doing this with it, tightening that up, doing that. And see, that's the wrong angle. And doing that. That's all I want. All I was looking for is to trim my edges of my grass and do the long areas of grass. I'll put this into practice for you in my next video, so please watch part 3. Okay, so we're going to charge the battery for the first time now. So firstly, we've got to align that there into that it slots in. So we'll slot the battery into the docking port. Should click in. Then we get our plug. We will plug it in, switch it on, and the green flashing light will tell us that the battery is now charging. So it should take 1 hour to charge, and when it's fully charged, that battery should remain green. It's very, very quick. It is recommended to always charge the battery before storage. It's important to disconnect the charger from the power supply after charging is finished. Cool down the battery pack from a just operated product for approximately 30 minutes before attempting to recharge it. So that is just one of the warnings that come with using the battery on this product. So if you follow these recommendations, your battery should give you years of use. Thank you for watching part 2, and I'll see you soon. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.